Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing Rockin' Pneumonia by Johnny Rivers. Let's take a listen. All right, you like that song? Guys, I've been waiting to do that one for 18 years. So way back when I started on YouTube in 2007, I had requests for this. And I have something I call the hired request list. It's what built the huge, vast library on WebPianoTeacher.com. So people hire me and I do the request and I put it up on the website. So already we have some very unique, awesome song arrangements that you guys have chosen yourself for the website. I didn't choose them. And here's another one. And I had people wanting this one way back, but no one actually would go through to get on the list to do it. Now someone has. Thank you, Rick. You're awesome. Everyone's going to love this, and I hope you love it too. Well, we're doing a note-for-note transcription here. I do my best to give you authentic, true arrangements, true to the original. I don't dumb it down. I don't water it down. I don't give you sort of like this, or this is my version. I really try to give you what's on the original as close as humanly possible from me. So that's what we're doing. If you're a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this and have some fun with it, man. Let's get going. All right, so top of the page there. We have G and C. Can you see that? I think you can. All right, so 2 and 5. Notice I'm on the staff now. I got a staff lightly behind. So those of you who are previous music readers, note readers, that will make my system make a little more sense to you. If you're used to my stuff, you know, it doesn't bother you. You're ready to go. 2, 5, G and C. That's an 8th rest at the beginning. 1. One of the most common piano blues licks ever invented. You need to learn it if you don't know it. Next one's F-A with 1 and 3. Now for E and G, I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna use 2 and 5. Sometimes I use 3 and 5 on the E flat G. 1, 2, 1. And then I'm gonna go. After I play the E flat G, I'm gonna do this. You can go 3-5, 3-2-1, or 4-5, but it's rolled real quick, and it's a C chord. See the notes in that? G, C, E, G. That's a C chord, and you're just rolling it. Let your wrist help you out when you do that back and forth. Okay, 1. Slow motion. Fast motion. Okay, then we're going to go F and C with 2 and 5, D sharp and C with 2 and 1 or 1 and 5. Then G and D sharp, flip to E like that, your little blues third. Okay, 1. Okay, if you miss some notes, just call it dirty blues. All right, so there's our first lick. Guys, that's just a tip of the iceberg. The peak of the tip of the iceberg. There's going to be so many more fun blues licks in this. You know the song. You know how it sounds. We're going to learn everything all the way through. That's your first little lick. Make sure that you stay on that till you feel comfortable with it. Not that you play it fast, but that you can give yourself a passing grade for just kind of a medium slow tempo on it before you move on. Okay, we got to have a system of practice in place here. Okay, I missed the note there. Okay, so work on that till it feels, you know, fairly comfortable. All right, so D sharp and G, flip to E, and then G. So G in the right hand, octave in the bass. Na, 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 na. Okay, so 1. It's my G there. G, 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 A. And then the next measure, we're going to go. So we have 2 C's in the left hand, right hand C, C, and then G, C, E, and then I hear a little B flat mixed on the second one. And then go down to G. And then G, C, E in the right. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. A, C, F, 1, 2, 5. So the measure is 1. That's a rest there. If you were wondering what that squiggly line is, it's a rest. From the beginning, 1. I could get a G there. Here we go. So then we have C, another C and G, C, E. All right, guys, so that's our part one. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Like I said, there's a whole page to do here, and then many, many more pages as we get on the website and finish the whole thing. I think if you feel okay about that first line, you'll be able to play the rest of it. You know, trial by fire, that first lick is tough, but I think you can get it if you work on it slow. And be patient with yourself. Guys, I'll see you on the website. Talk to you later.